This is another free tool, and it is a shipping label generator. It is for Shopify merchants, and here we start with, in order to check all the templates, simply hit the Fill Example button, and it will populate all these input fields with the required values, which later you can change based on your... I will show you these one by one, and here let me show you the available. This one is international template. This one requires you to enter QR code, and for QR code you can enter the URL or tracking order or any other information at this input field. Here are our multiple templates. You can also turn off these QR codes if you don't like them. You can also change the color scheme of these templates. See, it's red, it's pink, or choose any custom one. It will be updated accordingly. And you can also change the label size. For example, if you want it to be A4 size, you can choose A4 sheet. However, if you want it to be 8.5 or 5.5, use it. All these texts are adjusted based on the size of the paper. You can also choose a custom size by changing the height or width in centimeter or millimeter. And once you're done, simply download it as PNG or PDF or SVG. SVG is the best in case you want to preserve the resolution that can be zoomed in as much as you want without making these texts blurry. And as promised, let me explain these input fields. Here will be a recipient address. Then here will be a shop address. And here will also be a package details like order ID, weight and size, which is you can also put these tags like this side up or fragile or something else. This is to show that how the material is going to be handled. You can change the country by searching here. Let's say I want it to be Britain. Type Britain. And you will have your country. You can also upload a CSV file that will generate each shipping labels in bulk. Let's say you got 100 of shipping orders and you want to generate labels for all. Simply upload a CSV file and it will generate them in bulk. Let me upload one to show you. I uploaded, and these columns will be reading that CSV. To start, you can also download a sample CSV to know the structure of the CSV file, and you can test how each of these shipping labels are going to look like. As you can see, each row is shown by hitting this arrow button. You can download all as a single PDF. Download it as a PNG file in zip. And I think it is done, and here you will see how to use this. Product, how this product can be useful for you. By the way, I am building this pin flow app, which creates your pins from your products. Using the beautiful templates and brand, then all of them automatically get scheduled at the appropriate time. And there is also a randomization so that it doesn't sound like a bot. And it automatically selects, using AI, which pin dashboard these pins are going to be posted into. And everything is done automatically. You have to invest only 1 hour to schedule 30 days of pins. And therefore it saves a lot of time. It is like a virtual assistant. Thank you.